Expert Voice here at 2020 SHOT Show. I'm standing with Joshua from the iconic Fisher Space Pen. Joshua's going to tell us a little bit about the new models and what makes these unique.
Well, it's no secret, most people that know our brand know that we manufactured a patented technology that allowed our refills to write in a zero gravity environment, which is why since every manned flight in space since 1967, our pens have gone on every manned flight. And so that patented technology allows our pens to work in extreme different conditions. We can write upside down, underwater, over oil and grease, in a negative 30 environment to a positive 250 degrees. And the neat part about it, the technology is housed inside the pen in the refill. So you can take this, any model of pen that we carry, it's got the same technology in that refill. They all write upside down, underwater, over oil and grease as well.
Yeah, I was taking a notice of this machine over here. What's this doing?
So this thing's been running now since 9 a.m. this morning. It's been running for 7 hours, and it has not run out of ink. And this particular tape has just been running and running and running and running. We've had to tear it off a handful of times. We had a pile of it all the way back here. And it shows that the average pen relies on gravity to deliver ink to the paper. This is upside down at an angle writing continually, and it never runs out of ink. And that's what makes our brand so much more unique. It's why a lot of law enforcement officers choose to use our pen, which we're honoring this year by having our thin blue line pen that has the blue line down the front of the pen. Our first responders and firefighters also need a demanding, reliable writing instrument. We have our red line edition here. And contractors, you can't leave them out. A lot of outdoorsmen also really work in the construction industry, and they need a reliable writing instrument too. So industry-specific color with the construction, we call this one the tradesman. One of my favorites personally, because I like to hunt and fish, is this one here. We partnered with True Timber Outdoors, and we put the True Timber Camo Strata print over our top-selling pen, the Bullet Pen. And for me as an outdoorsman, one of the first things I have to do when I'm in the field is I have to fill out my tag. And I'm constantly having to walk back to my truck. I forgot my pen. Well, now I throw it in my sack. It matches my camouflage, but it allows me to take that from the field, my passion in the field, and bring it into my everyday life, into the office, or even if you're at the bank or just sitting at dinner with the kids, you know, playing tic-tac-toe. I can share the fact that I'm an outdoorsman. And that's what we like about being able to innovate our products. They all have the same technology, but just a different finish for that person that might have a different passion.
Got it. So replaceable cartridge, there's dozens of SKUs to match your own personality. It's going to be the reliable Fisher Space Pen. Joshua, thanks for introducing us to the product.
Hey, thanks for having me. Appreciate it.